Hey y'all, it's Chimdi. So I am here with a 2 minutes about my hair video where I'm going to talk about these bomb box braids. So this is soft jumbo realistic hair and it is in the color M1 B27 and I really like it. I love this bob shape. What I did is I went ahead and I cut the pack in half and I bought 5 packs, did not even use all 5 packs, and I burned the ends. Gives me a very like 90s look to it. I really like it. I wanted to do it much sharper and much blunter, but my hair's actually long enough now that I would be cutting my natural hair if I started to like do too much up here. So this is the length that I ended up doing. I like that rather than, crochet box braids, you just have more flexibility. You're not worried about cornrows. And also I felt that I've been doing a lot of crochet and it's putting a lot of tension on my hair, and I was like, let me go ahead and give my hair a break, because when I do my hair, I'm in my hair, I'm pulling on it, I'm yanking it, I'm rearranging it. And I think when you have your hair in cornrows, that causes it to break off. I just want to like leave my hair alone for a little bit and just do this style. And even now you see I cannot get my hands out of my hair. Probably my scalp needs even more love. What I do for oiling it is I do a mix of castor oil and olive oil. So that's what I'm gonna do over the course of the 2 weeks. That is the hair. If you wanted to see what M1 B27 hair looked like, this is what it looks like on me anyway. It's a really pretty dark brown, essentially, but it gives you a nice pop of what seems like blonde, which is pretty cool. Yeah, this is the hair. Let me go ahead and show you how my parts look, just so you can get a sense. I started off so like, oh, let me do like lines and have like really small parts. And then towards the end, I was just like, listen, I'm gonna need to finish this hair up. It is getting late. Let me show you what the back looks like. So yeah, that is the hair. This is the hair that I have. Hopefully it can provide some inspiration if you're trying to figure out some fun new style to do. I really like it. I think it looks pretty cool. That's the video. Y'all give me a thumbs up if you liked it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to see more, and I will see y'all in the next one.